whole thing.
Oh, come on. Whew. There we go. That's good. Ooh. Much better. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about right there. Whew. There's a creek right down the road. There's a creek down the road that way. And that's where the water's going to run to, right down there. There's one more spot here I need to get. Alright, we're down at the creek. Let me turn you around and show you where we are slowly. We are down at the creek by the park I take Lucy to. We've cleaned this one out several times because it gets so full of trash. It's been dry for a couple of months now, but now you can see we've finally gotten some rain and it's starting to flow. And we do have some blockages down there. So we're going to get down there and clean those out. Let's see the exit. Oh yeah, this is much better. Look at that. Woo! Alright. Why don't you, let's see. Yeah, you stand right here, you can video me.
Okay.
I'm just going to try to move a few things out of the way. We'll get a potato rake. Whoa. once the current catches it, it should push it on through. Too bad these trees won't come out here, but they're willow trees and they're pretty well rooted right there. This is pretty swift right here. It's trying to push my feet when I step down. I wonder if I should walk through there and push that through. I'll meet you on the other side.
Okay. You may not get any movement. There you are getting some.
There we go. That's pretty sweet, huh? All right, now I got to get out of here. All right, that was pretty awesome, wasn't it? Whew. That'll probably go down there and get stuck in the woods somewhere down through there. So this is the same creek that flows through our town that has the culvert, kind of a culverts, concrete culverts all the way through town. It comes out through here. So all the debris and the sticks from the center of town are going to come through here. All right, we are finished here. It's all cleaned out. No more blockages. All righty. All right, good morning, everybody. Jennifer, here, got water on the lens already. There we go. Jennifer had to work today and it's raining, so me and Jeff came out. We're going to do a little cleaning just right there, and then we're going to walk underneath this bridge and get some more from that side. We thought we'd start on this end. So we're just going to get this little bit that's underneath. Is that going to be too deep, Dad?
I don't know. I'll find out in a second. Yeah, I'm fixing to get wet, but that's all right, I guess. Okay. It's just not deep enough for it to flow.
Yeah. Well, if it's broken loose from there, it is going to get higher because it's still raining, and that'll help with the debris flow. Yeah, it's kind of shallow right over. It's kind of shallow just right through there. So.
Okay. That's all you're gonna do there.
Good enough for that.
Let me get some of this.
It's some kind of wire in the water, isn't it?
Yeah, that's wire.
Huh. Look at that. Yeah, and it goes all the way underneath there. No wonder that's got debris hung up on it. I have no idea what that's for. Alright, let's go this way. And there's another pipe running underneath here. Look at that. It goes all the way across here. Ooh. Do you want to get that little bit right here? Throw that trash over here and we'll grab it on the way out. If you can get it so it gets washed away. Yep. Yeah, that's running underneath there. See how that broke loose a little bit under there? Yeah. So that is helping out there.
That's weird.
Look at all that trash. That's ridiculous. Can you get that big plastic tub or not?
Yeah, I probably can.
Okay.
If I can find the bottom.
He's going to hit me with that. Yeah, see, that's flowing underneath that pipe now. Good job.
Yeah, I may not get that one.
Alright, you want to go?
Okay.
Alright, we're going to go underneath the bridge now. Here. Get that tote and throw some just trash in it. Get that white one. Ooh, that was heavy.
Yeah, I know what.
Okay, we can get that in a minute. You know what? I'm taking that with us because there's more stuff right over here.
Yep.
We can just keep filling this up. Oh, there's no telling what's in there. Okay, put this right up here on this gravel area.
Yeah.
Whew.
Trash bag.
Yeah, that's kind of gross.
Kind of scary. Yeah.
You know what? I wonder how deep it is under there.
Well, I guess I'll find out here.
Hopefully I can get that nasty bag.
Yeah, it gets pretty deep pretty quick, I think, Mom.
Is it going to be too deep to walk under?
I don't know. If we got concrete, it'll be all right, probably.
Oh, I
But
don't know. Look at the exit. The drain that's stopped up.
yeah, it gets pretty deep right here pretty quick. Oh, no, yeah. It's pretty deep right
It's
there.
real deep, okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to see if we can figure out how to get the other side without walking underneath because it's not safe.
Well, how about close to the,
I think it's deep over there too, Dad.
I'm talking about right next to this, if there's any concrete. Yeah, it drops off big time.
Okay. I'm going to stop this and we'll pick it up in a minute. All right, we've made it to the other side.
What are we gonna do here? Anything?
I thought we'd try to clean that up, yes.
Okay.
Thought we...
I'll get the trash out.
Let me get over here so I can see. I think it's flowing good enough to kind of help clean it out.
Well, it is rotten, but we can get all the stuff around it out of there. Okay. Whoop.
Splashing me, dear. Yeah, it's still raining right now, as you can tell from the camera probably. All this stuff's going on down the creek. Do you think we could just slightly turn this big
Now
log?
I was thinking about doing that.
I wonder if we could.
So it might pick it up and get this trash out of here.
Yeah. At least keep stuff from hanging up on it. If it's real heavy, I'll put this down and we'll both get
It's probably gonna be pretty heavy, but them things right there, you get enough of them, it looks like a snake curl up in there, and it ain't,
it
but
does, doesn't it?
it gets your attention anyway. I don't know, that right there, you're not gonna go too far, Mom. See that?
Oh,
If that's part of it, and I think it is, that's solid as a rock right there. But let's see.
Just pick up and just see what happens. There's ants in it too. You wouldn't think so. Look at here. Let me show you guys. You wouldn't think this log laying out here in the water would have fire ants on it, but look at there. They are all over this. I don't know if y'all can see them real good there.
There's no moving that.
No, it's not budging at all.
Nah,
Okay.
too much there.
All right.
Let me get a little bit more now.
I'll just zoom out a little bit on this. There we go. It's trying to flow underneath it now.
Yeah.
When you get tired, I can do it for a while.
Okay. I think that's detached still yet. I didn't bring my come along. I could probably done it with that. You know what?
Yeah, probably.
Hook it to that tree right there. Yeah, well.
Yeah. That's okay. Let me back up a little bit. There we go. So we can see the flow better. Why don't you try pushing it underneath and see what happens?
Okay. Yeah.
Whoa, it's deep right there. Pushing underneath now because it is flowing out the other side.
Won't flow very good, but
No, but it will flow. Oh. I do see some gravel built up on the back side of that. Probably stop some of it.
you know, no, it's part of it too, though. Never mind. I think I'd get more flow if you get rid of that, but I think that's part of it.
Is that part of the roots to that?
That ain't coming out.
Oh, it's stuck.
Okay.
You know, if you stood on, you might be able to stand over here and pull it,
Yeah.
because it's not real deep right there by those roots.
Let me get this right up here right quick. Don't get too deep too quick. Got too many branches on it. Okay.
You know, we're going to have to go back to the other side and kind of clean that up a little bit. Whoa.
We'll go all the way down.
Okay.
Yeah. I got some soft stuff. It kept
It
giving.
is deep right there.
It kept giving on me. Okay. There's one out there trying to get on me too, moving the gravel around too much. Okay. That was attached. That was attached. It's broke now though. Okay, let me get over here. Got it. Okay. That's getting it now.
Yeah, it's flowing through really good now.
Okay.
Okay. Just leave rock out of the way.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna go get that little bit over there. You want me
Yeah.
to do that?
Yeah, I'll let you. Hang on, let me get.
Remember, there's a big hole right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Just
try to
fell
step here
in it.
next to the tree.
We'll hold each other's hand. That way, if one goes down, we both go down.
What an idea.
Whoa, just right there.
Yeah, it got deep right there in a hurry too.
Okay.
You gonna do this one first?
Yeah. Oh, if you can just stay here, I'll do that. If you want to stand right here and get me.
Okay.
Let's see how deep it gets out here. It's not bad right here. You know, it's not flowing much on that side. I'm going to try to send it over to this side. There we go, that'll go now.
Obviously the chainsaw's not in the pickup, is it?
No,
Probably in the shop.
it's in the shop. Well, that one's stuck and I cannot get that out. What's this? That's what I was trying to pull on. Look at that.
Yep.
Oh, come on out there, booger.
Thing's been drinking.
Okay. There we go. Oh, get over there. Okay, I think I got all of it on this side. There we go. Okay, that's going to go on through. Let me look at this pile over here. Not sure about this one. There's water, ooh, and it gets deep fast right there.
Does it?
Yeah, look how that slides right down. That's going to be too deep. It's deep all the way around that.
Well, we can film it till it comes to flood and washes down.
There we go. Yeah, I'm not going to do that, and I don't want you to do it. Because for one thing, it gets super deep there.
Was that a short joke?
Huh?
Was that a short joke?
No,
Oh, okay.
I don't want to do it either. But if there is a snake in that brush, we couldn't get away from it. Yeah,
I can walk on water
let's
with
just
your
save
snake.
that for another day. I don't feel safe doing that today, and I don't want to do it.
Okay.
We don't feel safe, we shouldn't do it, yeah. Let's go to the other side and clean up the mess we made.